Both of these options give you a completely free way to get started. No upfront cost, no barriers. The first route is through OpenRouter, and that offer is available only until August 13th. So if you're planning to try this out, that window is closing fast, and it's worth acting on sooner rather than later. The second free route is through the Vercel AI Gateway, which gives you another path to access the same capability without spending anything to experiment with it. Either way, you have options to get hands-on with this tool right now without worrying about cost being a blocker. But here's the thing. Knowing that a tool like Ling 3.0 exists, and even understanding roughly what it can do, is a completely different skill from actually knowing how to fold it into your business in a way that produces real, measurable results. Most people stop at the, "oh, that's interesting" stage. They watch a demo, they get impressed, and then nothing changes in how they actually operate day to day. If you want to go further than that, if you want to move past just understanding the tool and actually start building the agent workflows that save you real hours every single week, bring in more leads for your community or business, and let you deliver more value to your audience or clients without adding more hours to your plate, then this is exactly what we focus on inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've already done the heavy lifting of figuring out how to apply tools like this across the areas that actually move the needle for a growing business. That includes lead generation, so you're not manually chasing prospects, but instead have systems doing that groundwork for you. It includes content automation, so you're not spending every waking hour writing, editing, and publishing, but instead have workflows that handle a meaningful chunk of that for you. And it includes community growth, because building an audience or a client base that sticks around and engages consistently is its own skill set, one that AI can meaningfully support once it's set up correctly. Inside the community, you get daily tutorials that walk you through real implementations, not just theory. On top of that, there are 4 live coaching calls every single week where we go deep into the setups that are actually working right now, not outdated advice, not generic tips you could find anywhere, but current, tested approaches that reflect what's actually producing results in real businesses today. You also get access to a prompt library that's been built specifically around real business workflows, meaning you're not starting from a blank page trying to figure out what to even ask these tools. The prompts are already structured around outcomes like lead generation, content creation, and operational efficiency, so you can plug them in and start seeing value almost immediately. Right now, there are already 3,700 members inside this community, all of them actively using AI automation in their businesses every single day. This isn't a group of people who joined and then went quiet. It's an active, engaged space where people are genuinely applying what they learn. And beyond just the content and coaching, there's also a member map, which lets you find and connect with other members near your location who are doing similar work. That means you're not just learning in isolation. You have the chance to build real relationships with people who understand exactly what you're working on and can potentially collaborate, share insights, or even become part of your network moving forward. If any of this sounds like something you want to be part of, the link is in the description below, or you can just go directly to iaprofitboardroom.com to check it out for yourself and see if it's the right fit for where you're at right now. And separately from that, if you specifically want the full set of notes from this exact episode, meaning every single link I referenced, every resource I pointed to, and every prompt I mentioned throughout this video, all organized and ready for you to use without having to pause and rewind repeatedly, that's available as well. On top of those notes, you'll also get access to a resource covering over 100 different AI use cases, each one broken down step by step, so you can see exactly how it's applied in practice, rather than just being told it's possible. This is designed for anyone who wants a reference they can come back to again and again, rather than trying to remember everything from a single watch-through of this video.